Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to find the Instagram posts you've shared directly from Facebook, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to see exactly which posts on your Instagram profile were originally shared from your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and head straight to your profile. This is where all your posts, reels, and highlights live. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right corner for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on that to open up your profile options. From the menu, find and tap on Your Activity. This section is like your Instagram control center, showing you everything you've done on the app, from your recent searches to the time you've spent scrolling. Next, look for the section labeled Content You Shared. Under this, you'll see an option called Posts. Go ahead and tap on Posts. This will bring up a list of all the posts you've shared on Instagram, making it super easy to find what you're looking for. Now, here's the key step. At the top of this list, you'll see a filter option. Tap on Shared from Facebook. This filter will instantly show you only the posts that were originally shared from your Facebook account to your Instagram profile. It's a quick way to separate your Facebook shared content from everything else you've posted on Instagram. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily see all the Instagram posts you've shared from Facebook, all in one place. Whether you're looking to clean up your feed, reminisce about old memories, or just stay organized, this feature makes it simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.